Get back. Get back. I will get back home soon. I will get back home soon. She got back from work late. She got back from work late. Get over. Get over. He got over his illness. He got over his illness. She can't get over her sadness. She can't get over her sadness. Get through. Get through. He got through the test easily. He got through the test easily. We got through a hard year. We got through a hard year. Get away. Get away. The thief got away. The thief got away. We got away for the weekend. We got away for the weekend. Get together. Get together. Let's get together this weekend. Let's get together this weekend. They got together for lunch. They got together for lunch. Get by. Get by. I can get by with little money. I can get by with little money. She got by despite the challenges. She got by despite the challenges. Put up with. Put up with. I can't put up with the noise. I can't put up with the noise. She puts up with a lot of stress. She puts up with a lot of stress. Put away. Put away. Please put away your clothes. Please put away your clothes. He put away all the dishes. He put away all the dishes.